Welcome to Spelling Bee Round 1.
11! It's 11!
Whatever. I'm your host, artificial intelligence researcher and perfect ACT scorer and perfect GPA, Isaac Bari. And today we have our contestant, Professor and Mayor Suborno Isaac Bari. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
We'll see about that. Your first word is craft. To craft.
C-R-F.
Hello guys. आशा खालामो आंनि बे गोदान भिडिअआव नोंथांमोनखौ बरायना लाग्रोनाय जाबाय। दाखालि बावैसो जे इउनिभारसिटियाव सासे उन्दै बैसोनि प्रफेसर फैनाया बिथांनि जिउ जारिमिनाथ' डेन्जारानो दा आं थेवबो मोनसे माबायाव गावनि इउटिउब चेनेलाव नायदोंमोन माने मोननैसो उन्दैनि बिमाजो ना सोरबासो जाखो जायखिजाया बिबै ना बिमाजो जायखिजाया ओंखाम दौलायनाय समावबो फरायनाया बिजाबखौनो माने एनि टाइम नायखायो माने बिथाङा एनि टाइम नायखायो बेनिखायनोथ' बिखि साक्सेसबो जानो हादों दा इ हिसाबै जों मोजां नुदों बिथांनि फरायनानै जिखिनि जाबोनो हादों दा आं बिथांनि ससे भिडिअ लाबोदों आरोना बेखौनो आं होनानै खोन्थिनोसै नोंथांमोना आं बारा
A-F-T. Yay.
Next word. Are you ready?
Yes.
Next word is, drum roll please.
Decorum. Oh no. Decorum.
I can use it in a sentence.
Say the definition.
The definition is to have good manners.
What was the word again?
Decorum.
Decorum. D-E-C-O-R-U-M.
That's right.
No.
Okay, next word.
I was ready.
I didn't ask.
D-E-R.
Do you want me to say that word again?
Yeah.
Deference.
Wait. D-E-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Mr. I can't feel letters.
1 point for deference. Okay, next word. Deflect. Deflect.
L-E-C-T, meaning to like, if you have a shield and it blocks a bullet and turns it.
1 point for deafness.
Woohoo!
What is the definition?
What does deft mean?
Okay, I'll tell the good folks watching. Deafness means to be